see if anybody has anything for Austin Fleming, who has absolutely put on a clinic here in this feature this evening.
The bloody one's back! Woo!
All right, it's a little loud. Jayce, where are we at tonight?
Hattiesburg!
Get your chain out your mouth, your fake
Hattiesburg
jewelry. We're here with Jayce, the mailman, and one and only K9. A-Flem. Whoa, you gotta pop that in a little bit.
Yeah.
What is the story on this 41 car?
Alright, so we did a bunch of work, didn't figure it out, sent it to the Master Wayne. Wayne got it running. He wants us to see if he got it fixed. If he did, we believe we know what is wrong with my car now.
If this car runs tonight, look at that, we might know how to fix the Pony Express. There it is. All right, so
we're gonna go. The track's already wet. It looks pretty good. It was turning really good.
So we're here to win, but we're really here to test
We're
them.
always here to win.
But our main goal really,
To win and test after. Get the test to win.
okay, we're here to, all right, here we go. A little dirty and a little dark, but we got yours truly, Scooby-Dooby-Doo.
Alright, here we go. Fingers.
Flagman fails at the ready as they come to the restart zone.
Yep, that's it. A lot of beating and banging going up on the front. Come on, let's talk to Mr. Jayce Thompson here. We're here with him right now. We're waiting the whole time for the track police. How did you think about it?
It was good. It was good.
What did you think about the turns there, Mr. Jayce?
They're a bit slick.
Just say when I'm talking to the mic, you can't talk much to the mic. Okay? Okay? You're in the mic. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So anyway, what we got here is a failure to communicate, okay? So what did you think about the old 41 of Wayne Tompkins' car coming from ninth place up to second?
It's insane. I never would have expected that. I mean, his car is fast, just never would have thought that it would have came from basically last to up to second.
We're a little concerned on why that blows your mind when your daddy built this car. It ought to be fast, right?
Yeah, it's him. He built it.
All right, we're getting ready. They're calling us now. We're going to see what we can do.
All right.
And I just realized this ain't a microphone.
Let's go. Y'all have a good race.
Hey!
Hey, I had a photo bomber over here. Go ahead, Timothy. Tell him.
I'm ready to go.
You ready to go?
Ready to go.
Rock and roll, huh?
Let's get it.
All right, buddy. Good luck. All right. Time for the feature.
Yeah.
What you think?
I think that he's probably gonna win
You think?
for sure.
All right.
Since this car is the fastest.
Go get him, Austin.
Starting fourth for the 43rd, Shane Littlefield, alongside the 111.7 of Becky Williams. Starting on the front row, early all the way from ninth place up to second as he transferred the 41 of Austin Fleming. Fleming in the last position is on the pole of 57 of Tim. Outside wall.
I think we fixed it. Gas
That
bag.
is one lap completed, race fans. 7 complete. When they take the green flag, that will be 4 laps to go. The flagman Bill gives them the 1 to go this time by. When we take the green, we'll see if anybody has anything for Austin Fleming, who has absolutely put on a clinic here in this feature this evening. We were trading paint, bid, and sheet metal for first place in that heat race earlier, but in this one, it has been a one-man show. Anybody that is out there thinking about coming down here and driving with these stickers, I hope you're taking notes. This is how you want to do it. And green flag back in the air.
Done with the race. We're back here at the Izzy. Nothing new but the 41 car is blazing fast. It'll literally blow off your clock, same right there in sports mode. So, Dad, what do you think about your car being in victory lane?
I'm just glad it's fixed again. Hopefully Austin don't break it no more.
True.
What the boy's trying to say is, it is a lie. The 41 car's back. We're here. Daddy Wayne here. Here's Daddy Wayne. What do you think about it, sir?
I'm just happy it's back on the track and not smoking, knocking, or running hot.
Oh, you can take that first one off. Power steering.
Well, that's Skylar's fault. He didn't put a good one on it. But
We
I'm
fixed
just happy.
it. We put a rag with zip ties on it.
I'm just happy it's back together and running.
Yeah. I think
'Cause-
that's the gas leak.
Nah, it was giving me a headache. I still didn't get the right speed sensor in it, but I rigged something up to make it work. And apparently, it worked.
no,
That looked
Dad,
professional from the factory almost.
It does.
It felt good to be out there. I feel like
Eli,
from the get-go,
everybody.
it felt good right when they dropped the green flag. But literally from turn to right when we went into turn 1, I felt really strong. It was popping out of gear in the heat race with us. And literally, I think that's just from abuse.
It's definitely.
It's just an old transmission. We're gonna keep going until the bungee cord don't work, or the second one, because it's the second bungee cord now. But I loved it. It felt good. It's fast cars. Tonight was, like I said, was a test night for us. But I was giving everything I think I could give. With not everything, because I knew I didn't have a tire ready to be changed. So what the test will be, we haven't even told Wayne, unless he plans on taking it, Friday night, Deep South Speedway.
You got
Then we'll see.
Please.
It's still on your trailer. I've never.
Yeah, we're not
I've
unloading.
never taken it control of it back.
So, but this is the main man right
you
here.
still
Control
belongs to
of it
Austin.
back.
It still
Here's
belongs
the
to
main
Austin for
man
right now.
right here.
And he said something.
And he's not saying it, but he loves sitting down on his couch and not being covered in dirt with his flip-flops on and getting the text, your car just put itself in victory lane. Because it was Herbie style. It drove itself.
Well, I'd love to be doing it myself.
No,
It
literally
will
was
be
Herbie.
happening
It was
Soon.
her because I looked down and I
Yeah.
seen the shifter
Better.
jump
But right
forward.
now, it's your car.
So, appreciate y'all for watching.
So, and I do love it, seriously, when we get new fans.
Oh, I'm sorry.
And I love it when people are clapping and all that every lap, even though we know they
Yeah,
can't stand it.
It's news to me, Jayce, that I think some of our biggest fans are the other people's, the other drivers' family and stuff. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching us. Jayce, come on, let's sign it out so we can get home.
Sign us out.
Hey, you ready? We appreciate y'all watching us and everybody. And
Make sure
don't
you
forget
like and
Splash.
subscribe.
Hey, don't forget Splash Vinyl Company.
Don't forget Splash Vinyl Company.
And now, do it.
You better like and subscribe or else.
Or else.